Hello, I'm in a 2015 GMC Terrain, and today I'm going to show you how to fold up and down your seats. So for these rear seats, you'll find this lever here that will pull, and that'll let you fold forward. Works the same on the passenger side. And when you're ready to fold this back up, I would typically put this seatbelt over the front so it doesn't get trapped. And then we'll push this back up, and now it's locked back in place. And to fold the center down, just pull this, and then fold it back up when you're done. And then for these front seats, as long as you have some power to your vehicle, this will slide the whole seat forward. This will slide the whole seat back. This will fold the front forward, and then this will make it lean back. And then this is like a lumbar support, which will adjust in here. And we'll go check out the passenger side. And this is the same type of controls as the driver's side, so you do need some power to your vehicle. But again, forward, backwards, and then leans it backwards, leans it forward, and then your lumbar support. But I hope all this was helpful information. Hope you have a wonderful day.